You are watching the disaster news, and stay connected with us by subscribing to get next news. Winter storms, heavy rain and massive snowfall hit many parts of the United States. California is in the worst situation right now. Flash flooding has already occurred across central California and the southern Sierra. Due to the rapid rise of water, severe flooding has occurred in Kern River Kaweah River, Tule River. Heavy rains and melting snow have caused flash flooding in California. Residents of Springville are dealing with severe flooding. Evacuation of the people there is underway on an urgent basis. Authorities in Springville and Porterville, CA have declared states of emergency and described the flooding as catastrophic. A state of emergency has been declared due to severe flooding. Increasing rainfall is causing rivers to flood. Flooding caused strong currents in the river and residents were ordered to evacuate. People are suffering because the Kern River is overflowing and houses are being submerged. Authorities advised residents to stay on higher ground. The road has collapsed under the pressure of heavy floodwater. For quite some time now, California has been experiencing snow and heavy rains that have caused flooding. More than a dozen houses have been inundated by the severe floods and one has collapsed and several others are in danger of collapsing. If you like the video, then comments and stay connected with us by liking, sharing and subscribing to get the latest news.